Mr. Glenn,
yourself from my
I'm
case,
trying to help you. Can you please just wait a
all
minute?
These tickets from 20 years ago when it's only 3. You know what I'm saying?
Sir, stop, Mr. Glenn.
City of Detroit versus Rondell Glenn. Case number SP11-54208, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP11-54212, counts 1 and counts 2. SP14-82930, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1720-494, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1720-600, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1720-615, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1730-688, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1730-6961. State of Michigan versus Rondell Glenn. Case number SX3397163. SX3630039. SX3639504. 18443135. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rondell Glenn. Mr. Glenn, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Rondell Glenn.
Your Honor, I don't know how many tickets that was you just read off. I only have 3 on my docket.
Yeah, Mr. Glenn doesn't have any respect for the court. I see he's exhibited disrespect for the court, and he's
wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. What you talking about?
You wait a minute. You wait a minute.
I'm going to the Judicial Tender Commission.
You wait a minute.
I don't want you to remove yourself from my case, bro.
Listen,
I'm 58 years old.
That's the disrespect.
I don't know what it is about me and you, bro.
That's the disrespect.
Mr. Glenn, can you please be quiet? You cannot drive on Zoom. This is the definition of distracted driving.
He should not be driving at all. He's already indicated to the court that he's driving when he was driving while in court. I asked Mr. Glenn that if he's driving, he said he's driving to go in to get something to eat, I believe. So now
Mr. Glenn wasn't driving. Somebody was driving for me. I'm with somebody. What do you mean? What do you mean, man?
I'm gonna order
I'm 58 years old, bro. Look.
Mr. Glenn, I'm trying to help you. Can you please just wait a minute?
All these tickets from 20 years ago when it's only 3. You know what I'm saying?
Sir, stop, Mr. Glenn. Stop, so I can help you. I'm trying my very best to help you. You got a chip on your shoulder, but it's not. Sir, give me a minute. I'm gonna try to take you in a breakout room and talk to you before you make your circumstance worse. Just be quiet until you get there, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
you. Mr. Glenn, after you finish talking to him, I'm gonna give him a pre-trial date for tomorrow. Mr. Glenn has to come into court in person.
Fine. I'm going to the Judicial Tender Commission because you're very impartial. You're not about to try to embarrass me in court like that, man.
Glenn, stop,
Mr. Glenn. We only got 3.
Just ask you to be quiet so I can help you.
I'm going to file a complaint today.
That's fine. You can do whatever you want, but
you're not about to try to embarrass me like that. Be disrespectful to me and think I'm gonna sit up and take that.
Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn.
And they come to court properly dressed. Don't come to court in a sleeveless shirt. Come to court properly dressed.
Your Honor, can I please have a moment to talk to Mr. Glenn? I muted you because you're not making it better. Just be quiet.
It doesn't matter what you say to him. He's going to take an anger management class too. Tell him to come to court properly dressed, Ms. Gates.
Mr. Glenn, you should have a prompt to go to breakout room 5. Go to breakout room 5. Look at your device, Mr. Glenn. You should have a prompt on your screen to go to breakout room 5. Just click OK. All right, Mr. Glenn, I'm going to send you a different prompt. Just when you see the room number pop up, please just click OK. You're going to room 8.
All right, let's pass.
Just click OK.
In person tomorrow, Miss.
I understand, Your Honor. You want him here at 9 a.m.?
No, 8:30.
Am I releasing him?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want to. But...
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lane. Ms. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Lane?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
August the 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Ms. Lane, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You have a blessed one as well. Happy pre-birthday, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. All right, best of luck to you, Ms. Lane.
Thank you so much.
Can I get
Always
them
gonna be a little, there's always gonna be a drama in here. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes, he's trying to find this one.
It's always gonna be a little drama in here.
Yeah, license.
This.
That goes with the, yeah, that goes with the case. The credit record.
He's driving, he missed his drive.
And he was on the license, he should have been getting. He said it.
Something's wrong.
He said he was driving.
Yeah.
He said he
Said he was
was going to
driving.
get some folks. And then he called and told you.
And he was driving again when he came back.
Yeah, then he says somebody was driving him. He's a liar too.
Yeah, and he called fussing too. I had to hang up.
I need to check my mail.
Oh, okay, I'm checking. What are the keys? I can get it looked up. Miss Maria Cox. I'm bringing her in.
Right now.
Yes, that's her Spanish.
Ms. Cox,
Yes, I'm here. Good morning.
morning, can you, or good afternoon now, can you state your name to the record, please?
Maria Cox, COX.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, let's recall the city of Detroit versus Ishmael Galarza Roman, case number SP 171-75641, here for the record, please.
Llamando otra vez el caso de Ismael Galarza, SP 175641, por favor. El abogado es Barry Jr., representando al acusado.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Con el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente se queda en silencio.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Ok, nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado. El juez dijo que ahí el abogado le va a decir cuál es la oferta y que tenga en mente de que si no le gusta la oferta no la tiene que aceptar.
Ok.
Okay. En su pantalla ve una invitación, por favor acepte.
He's in there.
Okay, I will go there.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lister. Mr. Lister, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, first, we would hope that the court could confirm the status of his license.
License is valid. You're saying the matter is dismissed for providing valid documentation? And what?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf?
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the, as charged, the improper equipment, dismiss the other matters. I'll waive the warrant fees, still pay any reinstatement fees. He still owes a lot of other civil infractions, just to let him know that. And when can you pay the 120, sir?
I can pay it today at the moment.
All right, well, you got a lot of other stuff, so why don't you do this? Why don't you, I'm gonna give you 30 days to either pay it or get into a payment plan, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
I waive the warrant fees and you'll have to pay, I don't see too many, couple of reinstatement, well, more than a couple, but some reinstatement fees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But just get it together before August the 28th, 2025. You don't have to return, just get it together, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Ms. Gaten Robinson, are you still dealing with Mr. Glenn?
Your Honor, Mr. Glenn was not the easiest to try to talk to or get to reason with. He has indicated to me, is he still in the breakout room? He told me he was coming down to the court today. He doesn't understand why he has to come tomorrow, so he's coming down to talk to the chief judge today, which I told him that is absolutely his right. He could. He felt like you were picking on him by calling out his older tickets. I explained to him that that is your process and the process of many judges down there, that when people have outstanding matters, if they are on your docket, you will pull all of their matters in an attempt to be efficient. And you've done that with multiple clients of mine this morning to try to reassure him that that was not you picking on him. He didn't understand why you were bringing up old stuff. So I explained to him that that's you trying to be efficient because he had multiple tickets in front of the court outside of the 3 that were on the docket. I indicated to him that he was supposed to be here tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning.
He's here. Let me bring him. Hold on. Let me pass it right quick. Let me get Mr. Galarza out of here. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Galarza. Mr. Galarza, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Señor Galarza, le di la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado. Abogado, ¿cómo vamos a proceder?
Your Honor, my client wishes to have a bench trial date where he might return with documents.
Su honoría, mi cliente quiere pedir un juicio en banca con el juez nada más, donde él pueda presentar el documento adecuado.
Mr. Glenn, you're yelling at.
So, Your Honor, this is interpreted August 22nd, 9 a.m. by Zoom, correct?
Sí.
Ok, señor, entonces la fecha, por favor, anoten acá, porque tal vez no le llegue nada. El 22 de agosto a las 9 de la mañana por el mismo número de Zoom. Y si no es más nada, no tiene ninguna pregunta, ya terminamos.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What? I'm going to try to bring him back in the room. Thank you, Ms. Cox. Have a very good day.
Bye-bye, you too, Your Honor.
What is his honor? He's not going too far.
He's coming in on Zoom or he's coming in on court.
Now I guess. You said what?
You already went viral.
Who's it going?
This is what
he wants to make himself.
I got his attention. He's aware that we're trying to pull him back into the breakout room. I'm about to send him a prompt. I mean, to the main session. I'm about to send him a prompt.
I'm trying to get him in the name. Stop close the rooms.
Okay.
Now, if he keeps it up, he'll find himself in contempt.
Your Honor, I'm trying to save him, but.
And I know it's probably gonna be ordered as a transcript. So can y'all please talk at one time at a time?
Well, good luck. Good luck. You can get the video.
Sure.
All right. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn, let me say something to you, sir. Start your video, please.
I got it going. Get it straight now. Get it straight, bro. I simply wanted to come in and plead not guilty. But
so, Mr. Glenn, I asked you to stop talking to the judge like he's your friend or somebody on the street. You would not talk to another judge in a different jurisdiction like that. He's not your bro. He's Judge Perkins.
Now, let me stop. Let me stop right
I'm trying to help you, Mr. Glenn. You're making it worse.
Stop, Ms. Gaten Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, let's get this understanding. First of all, I'm not your bro, okay? Yeah, I'm the judge, Mr. Perkins, but I'm not your bro, okay? Second,
I know you're not.
No, I didn't ask you to speak. Don't talk while I'm talking. Secondly, if you continue to act out like you've been doing, I'm gonna have no choice but to hold you in contempt of court, okay? And I don't want to do that. I'm trying to exercise the utmost restraint with you. Now, third, I called those cases into the record to be as a matter of judicial economy. I don't know when you got those tickets. I don't care when you got those tickets. I try to do that for the benefit of you, so you don't have to keep coming back to court multiple times, and you don't have these warrants sitting out here on your benefit, so you don't have to keep coming back to court, okay? So,
I appreciate that.
I'm gonna let you speak. Let me finish. You're gonna come into court in person tomorrow at 8:30. I want you properly dressed. You can say what you want to do what you want to say. If you don't appear, then a lot of people don't show up. That's what the court has to say. Now, you want to talk? Go ahead and speak.
Okay. So I'm sorry about calling you bro. Okay. But I didn't think that you would get impartial and start, you were supposed to be here early. I'm 58 years old. Okay. So I'm kind of tech challenged, but I called down and I got in. Okay. I was late, but I got in, but it's just the way you was talking to me, that had me like, damn, like, I don't really want to go in front of this guy here, man. Plus I know Todd. So that's another reason why. Okay. So I was just asking if you could just recruit yourself. Then I found out some other stuff that's something, that's going on. Some news is going on right now. I don't want to be a part of that. I just want to go to another courtroom. If we could do it like that, then we good. Then I don't have to go down to the Judicial Tenure Commission, file a 3-page report. You know what I'm saying? Just recruit me from your courtroom. That's all I'm asking you.
So, Mr. Glenn.
On the grounds of, maybe not because I don't think you're impartial, but.
Let me finish. Let him go ahead and finish.
Okay. Maybe not because I felt you were being impartial, but let's not say that. But I do know Todd personally. Been knowing Todd for a long time. So that's another issue. Not the other issue about what's going on with you now, but I'm just asking the court, please, just recruit yourself or just send me to another judge, and I appreciate it.
All right, let me. I'm not going to send you to another judge. I want you to come down tomorrow morning at 8:30. I accept your apology about the bro situation. I didn't hold you being late against you because I did let you in the room. As long as I'm sitting here, I question why people are late. I understand now why you're late. You told me you're not as tech savvy as other people, and that was it. You also were driving in court. You admitted to that. You have a
so let's clear that up. Listen, I have a business.
It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's all being recorded. It's on transcript. You admitted to that. Okay. So I'm gonna let you go about your day, but come down tomorrow morning in person, and you can go to the Judicial Tenure Commission. That is your full right. You can go to the chief judge. But I'm not going to sit here and have you yelling at my staff or anything, okay?
Your
And
Honor,
listen, I'm not a
may I,
disrespect. Check
Mr.
my
Glenn,
record.
please give me 1 moment. Please, I've been begging you since the beginning of our interaction. I'm trying to help you.
I
Just
should have just
be
brought Blake
quiet
right.
just
I
for a
should have
minute,
brought my boy
please.
Blake in here. I wouldn't have all
Okay,
this.
so 1 moment, Your Honor. I explained to Mr. Glenn that he does have to be at court tomorrow morning at 8:30. I did also indicate to him that it's his absolute right to retain an attorney. If he is not able to retain an attorney, then he can ask for an appointed attorney tomorrow. Because he is here for misdemeanor matters, he is entitled to counsel. If he wants to pay his own counsel or ask for counsel tomorrow, that is his right. But I'm making it clear that Mr. Glenn is aware of his right to have counsel tomorrow at court.
All right.
If Mr. Glenn come to court, he's coming with all the news coverage. Okay, so we just want to make sure
No
everything is
problem.
good.
We'll see
Like
you
I
in the
said,
morning at 8:30. Make sure you look good
another
for the
attorney.
news.
I want
Put
another
your good
judge,
suit on.
and I make with another
One at
attorney.
a time.
Okay.
One at a time. Court
Put your
reporters.
good suit on. We don't care about you coming with the media. Look good for
I
the
know you
media.
don't
Put your
care. That's
suit
why I
on
don't want you.
and bring.
You know what? As a matter of fact,
I'm
you're
not.
ineffective counsel too. So I'm
Okay.
good. We're gonna reschedule that.
Have a
I'll tell you
wonderful
what we
day,
do.
sir.
Let's handle it like this.
Stop it, Miss.
Have a
Don't
wonderful
say
day.
anymore, Miss. Don't say anymore, Miss Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, that's it, okay? I'll let you make your record. Come on down tomorrow morning, all right? Yeah, you're muted. You're muted now. Unmute him, please. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. All right,
Let me
Mr. Glenn.
let me do what I gotta do. Okay. Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.
Best of luck to you, sir.
Yeah. Take care.
You too. All right.